So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super crazy, guys, and it actually works. Hey guys, so today I will show you how to get Snapchat mod for iPhone and Android. So it gives you like lots of features. You know, you can be someone that has an increased score. So here's the mod with all the settings. So I'm going to turn on the increased score one. And as you can see, my score is really low. So let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, here it is. So it should start increasing, and bang guys, there it is, no increase yet. But I turned on that setting, so I think it will start going up. So yeah, it's going up, look at that. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download this. There are some other settings too, remove ads. You can download videos, hide viewing story, hide read messages, increase score of course, hide typing, and upload from gallery. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download this. So go to matrixmods.com, find the Snapchat, press download, and then the next step is the verification. So you just gotta download like 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, so basically it's gonna say missing files, and you just want to download some of these apps. So it doesn't have to be all the apps, but you just want to do 2 of them. So like Family Island says reach level 11, so it's a game, so I could do that. I could do the Travel Town, which says reach level 9, Moto Casino. Most of these ones are just search install to earn, which is pretty simple. So yeah, make sure you guys download 2 of the apps. You're gonna be good to go. But yeah, this is super cool. Also, if you press help, you can watch a video here, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, I mean, this is super awesome, guys, and it totally works. So there you go, guys, matrixmods.com. This is the website where you can get this Snapchat mod, SC Falcon as it's known. So really cool stuff. Definitely try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to tell your friends about it, and peace out, brothers.